Hello internet, and welcome to another soothing Sunday practice, or whenever you're practicing this. It's going to be another indoor practice today because it's been a very rainy week where I live, and I also pulled a rain oracle card this morning, so I'm guessing that today's practice is going to be infused with rain's cleansing, purifying, rejuvenating, replenishing essence. So I hope this comes through. So first of all, just come into a comfortable seated position, the one of your choice, on the floor, on a chair. You can even lie down if you really need that kind of rejuvenation. Just make sure you don't fall asleep. Just wherever your spine feels safe, where there's no compression, where you're not like hunching and when there's no constriction. Make sure you feel quite open and relaxed. So if you're on the floor, you can sit on a cushion to have your hips above your knees. That will make that easier. If you're on a chair, just make sure your feet are firmly planted on the earth. And just lift tall, chin parallel to the ground. Soften the gaze or close your eyes. Just do a little scan from top to bottom. And as you scan from the crown of your head down to your feet, relax each muscle. So the temples, cheeks, jaw, the neck, shoulders, down to the chest, the belly, the hips, the legs. Just scan your body and relax. And once you've settled more in this space, you can maybe bring your hands into Dhyana Mudra. So bring your right hand above your left with your thumbs touching, and relax this mudra in your lap. If this doesn't feel comfortable, just keep your palms open on your knees. From this space, let's just start to take deep rinsing breaths. So breathe deeply into the belly, all the way up into the chest, all the way up to the neck. Feel as if you're breathing in fresh water in through the nose. And breathe out through your mouth as if you're fogging up a mirror in front of you with a sound. And try to make it longer than your inhales. So deep inhale into the belly, all the way up into the chest. Breathe in this fresh rainwater. And exhale. And make it as long as possible. And again, inhale deeply into the belly, breathe in this fresh rainwater. Really feel as if you're rinsing and cleansing yourself from the inside out. And exhale, release the tension, the stickiness, drain it all out. And continue for a few rounds at your own pace. You can maybe even shake out if you feel like your breath is not enough to help release this stickiness. Just shake your hands, shake your chest, shake your legs, whatever you need to shake. Just get this stagnancy moving. And release this breath. Let's replenish the body now with a few rounds of Ujjayi breathing and nasal ocean breath. So now we're fully breathing in and out through the nose to seal this practice. So breathe in through the nose, slightly constricting the throat so that the breath sounds like a gentle wave. And exhale through the nose with the same constriction in the back of your throat. Keep the breath slow and silky and nourishing. Really imagine this rainwater now just staying focused on replenishing you. Its only goal now is to make you feel hydrated and moisturized from the inside out. Continue for a couple of rounds at your own pace. Make your breaths as long as possible. On your next inhale in, breathe all the way up to your collarbones with a slight breath retention at the top. Squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears. Squeeze your muscles. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And exhale through the mouth. Release the shoulders back down. Release your body. Unclench your muscles and relax. And whenever you're ready, gently blink your eyes open back to this moment. Maybe look around, things feel a little bit better, less overwhelming. Just notice. And to stay on theme with this cleansing, with this hydration, with this very watery flow that we've just connected to, get yourself a cup of tea. Take a moment to drink something, to chill, like just prolong this moment as much as you can. To nourish your body. You really deserve it. If you'd like to support a small channel, and if you're craving to go deeper, to drift into a longer dreamlike morning ritual with me, you can find out all the details on my website, and it will be linked below. You're also welcome to nourish this work with your support through a tip on my Ko-fi page. And if this practice brought any comfort to you, consider giving it a like, leaving a comment, let me know how it felt, and subscribing for more soothing Sunday sessions, a lovely way to end and start your week feeling a little more refreshed. Also consider sharing with a friend who might need a little TLC today. Follow me on my new Instagram page for cozy and slow content, and I'll see you next Sunday for another soothing practice. Until then, take it slow.